Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back. I am so excited to see you all. I have a special guest joining me today. And what's your name?
Rodney.
Rodney. And who are you?
Your son.
You're my son? Yes, that is my son, Rodney. And how old are you?
6.
You're 6? Wow. What grade are you in? You forgot.
Grade.
What grade?
First grade.
First grade. He's in first grade. Wow. We have a first grader joining us here. Aren't we privileged? So, before we begin, guys, let's shake our jiggles, our wiggles, and our giggles out. Are you guys ready? You ready to do it, Rod?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's shake. Shake your jiggles out. Shake your wiggles out. Shake your giggles out. Shake them out. Ready? Shake your jiggles out. Shake your wiggles out. And shake your giggles out. So funny. All right. Did we get them all out?
Did you guys?
You did? All right. Thumbs up.
Yeah, that's
Good
if you did.
job.
Put them in the comments.
Okay, guys. So now that we've got them all out, now are we ready to welcome all of our friends? All right. So where is? Please stand up. Please stand up. Do a little wave. Clap your hands. Sit back down. Sit back down. Where is Rodney? Where is Rodney? Please stand up. Please stand up. Do a little wave. Clap your hands. Sit back down. Sit back down. Good job, boys and girls. Super. Thumbs up for that. So now we are going to do days of the week. Are you guys ready? Ready to sing with me? 1, 2, 3, go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 So, yesterday was Wednesday. So today is Thursday. Good job. Today is Thursday. You guys are so super. So, we know today is Thursday. What month is this? Can you guys tell me? That's right. We are in the month of September. And what letter does September begins with? Rodney raised his hand. That's a good job raising your hand to answer. What?
S.
S, right. What sound does S make? S. Good job. So we know today is Thursday. We know the month is September. We need to find out what date it is. So we know yesterday was the 23rd. I wonder what comes after the 23rd. What comes after number 23?
I don't know. What do you think?
I think we should maybe count. Yeah, you were getting ready to say it. We should count. Are you guys ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20. Let's give them a chance first. What is it, Rodney?
It goes like, guys.
What is it?
It starts with a
What is it? 23, 20,
4.
24. 24 comes after 23. See, it is behind 23. 23 is in the middle of 22 and 24.
I know what comes next.
Well, we're not going to tell just yet. All right, guys. So we know today is Thursday, the month is September, and the date is the 24th. What letter are we learning about this week? Who can tell me? Letter G. That is right. Letter G. Can we sing till we get to letter G? A, B, C, D, E, F,
G.
Good job. Letter G. And G is for what? What, guys? What is G for? Gorilla. What else? Can you think of something else?
I think I know.
Hold on. Let our friends
Okay.
answer. Remember, we wait patiently. Who said green, right? G is for green. Awesome.
But I know one.
Okay, what do you know,
It
Rodney?
is
G.
garbage truck.
G is for garbage truck. Good. Let's see the sound that letter G makes. Who remembers?
Doesn't it make
G says
go.
every letter makes a sound. G says G and J. So G makes two sounds.
I knew it.
You did? That is awesome. So guys, what are we learning about this week? We're learning about what? Fall, right? And what are some of the things that we see happening in fall?
Ooh, can you guys think?
Yeah, we have to put our thinking caps on.
It can be anything you guys want.
What do you think happens in the fall?
Ooh, friends. I think
Right?
I
The
can help you.
leaves start to fall off the trees.
Yes. And
It starts to
acorns.
get what?
chilly.
Chilly. And you need what?
A jacket.
A
or sweater.
jacket or a sweater. Good answers, Rodney. What else do we notice happening to the
I
trees?
know.
What, Rodney?
The leaves are falling off and the sticks are falling off too.
Everything is falling off the
Even
trees.
acorns.
Acorns are falling. What's happening to the animals?
The
Where are they going?
they're leaving and
They're
hibernating.
leaving and they're going to hibernate, right?
Even the birds, they left to go
Yeah.
somewhere hotter.
To go somewhere where it's hot, guys. So these are the things that happen during the fall season. So I have a little science experiment that you probably can do at home. So I want you to look at some of the things that we have. So these are things that we find outside. What are these? This is a what?
A stick.
A stick, right? Okay. What else do I have here?
A
Oh,
leaf.
A leaf. And let's
Ooh.
look at the colors of the leaf.
Yeah,
What colors do
lot.
you guys see? Red, right? What
I
else?
see yellow and orange.
Yellow, orange. I see a little hint of green.
I didn't see that. Ooh.
What's
a
this?
Rock.
A rock.
I never seen
What
white.
color is this rock?
White. I never saw a white rock.
Oh, look. What is this?
This
A leaf, but what color is the leaf? Green, right? And guess what? What letter begins with green?
guys said
G.
G.
Good job,
And
guys.
look, there's a yellow leaf.
And the yellow leaf. What are these? Do you guys know what these are called? Give them a chance, Rodney. A pine cone. Good job.
That was an acorn.
Oh, look at this. What
do you think
color?
That is.
What color is this? Blue. Good job. And what do you think this is called?
I'm not gonna say it.
It's a gem. And what letter does gem begin with? Letter G. Look at that. Little objects beginning with letter G. Oh, what's this?
Ooh, I know.
We see this in what season? Fall, right? It's a pumpkin. And pumpkin begins with the letter P. Pumpkin. And what color is the pumpkin? Orange, right? Yeah, orange.
I thought
So,
it was the-
We have all of these objects objects here. Different objects. What do you think we could do with them?
I know.
What do you think we could do here?
Maybe.
What do you think we can
which
do?
one floats?
Yeah, we're gonna do an experiment to see which one sinks or floats.
So that's
But
why those are
we
different.
have all of these different objects. So what do you think we can do with them?
You can put them in there, but
We can put them in here, yes, and do what?
Gonna float.
Can we sort them?
No.
Think
we can
about it.
sort them.
Yes, can we sort them? But how can we sort them?
We can put them in each one where the leaves are.
We put them in the same category?
Yes, put them in the same
Okay.
category.
So we're going to sort them out. So Rodney, I'll start with the leaves. So what would go here in the leaves?
The yellows.
What would go here?
Or the leaves.
All the leaves? Okay, so put all the leaves inside that space. Okay, so what else do we have here? So where would you put the sticks? All together? We don't need all those sticks. That's a lot of sticks. Okay, what are these? What else do we have here on the table?
We have acorns.
Acorns, okay.
Maybe the big ones will float.
We'll find out.
Because they don't seem light.
So we're sorting them into their own categories. So we have categories for sticks, we have categories for acorns, a category for leaves. What else? Do we have anything else on the table? We have rocks. And then what else do we have? And then we have some gems. So where would we put the gems?
And this one, I think there's a lot of these.
And we can move these out the way since we're not going to utilize them.
The probably use them.
All right. And then what do we do with this pumpkin? Are there any other pumpkins?
No.
No, we only just have how many pumpkins?
One.
One.
Oh, I know.
Oh, how many gems do we have? Can you count them?
Yeah, I didn't know.
Let's go.
I can.
1.
1, 2, 3. It's 9.
Oh, well, you counted in your head. Okay. Can you count them out loud?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job. 9. How many acorns do we have? I mean pine cones. I'm sorry. That's my fault. 6?
Yep.
How do you know?
Same way I guess those.
What did you do? You counted?
Brain.
Oh, with your brain. He counted with his
2,
brain.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Good job. Good counting. So
These have
this sign says
4. Ooh,
sink.
sink.
This sign says
Float.
float. Okay. So Rodney is going to pick the sign of what he thinks will sink or float. So here I have some water, 4 cups of water, but I don't think we need that much water. Maybe, who knows? Let's see. Pour the water in. Up.
Whoa.
Maybe we do. 4 cups of water. We poured 4 cups in. And now, Rodney, so we have sticks. What do you think the sticks will do? Will they sink or float?
They will float.
Okay, so pick a sign. Float or sink?
They will float.
Okay, so Rodney chose float. What do you guys think? Float or sink? Okay, I think sink. Why did you pick float?
I picked float because they seem like they would be able to float.
But why?
'Cause
What
they
makes
say
things float and what makes things sink?
if it's light, then it will sink. If it was heavy, it will sink.
If it's heavy, it will sink.
No,
It will. What is it?
it will float.
Oh, it will
But if it will
float.
sink,
But
it
if
will
it's
sink
light,
down.
okay, I'm confused. Say it to me again. If it
was light, it will fall.
it will sink. Okay.
But if it was heavy, it would float.
Oh, so density and weight all matter
Mm-hmm.
of how objects sink or float. All right. Well, let's see.
And then these,
Ah.
and then
Is it sinking or floating?
It's floating.
It's floating. And Rodney chose float because he said it was light. So he said light things float and heavy things sink. Okay. So let's try the pine cone. Sink or float? What do you pick? Sink or float?
I have to pick sink.
Okay, Rodney says it will sink. Why do you think it will sink? Do you guys think it will sink?
It seems light.
Because it's light? I thought you said when things are light, they float. And when they're heavy, they sink.
No, I said when they're light.
Well,
They
then
sink.
this is light and it floated.
It's not light.
It is light. Or maybe it's not light to you. I guess it's light to me because I'm strong. All right, so try your pine cone. Let's see.
It's gonna sink.
It's floating.
I think something's in it that's keeping it floating.
What do you think? Maybe it's the air inside the pine cone that's keeping it afloat?
Yeah, just like the stick.
Okay, so let's try the leaf. Do you
the
guys
leaf is
think
gonna
sink or float?
Sink.
Sink? I think float.
Sink.
It's floating.
These are gonna both of these.
Wow. Okay, let's try the rocks. Sink or float?
It's gonna sink.
Why did the rock sink?
Obviously, it is too heavy. I
It's-
guess.
Too heavy,
Yes.
and it's what it's made of.
Yeah. The armor is too heavy.
The armor is too heavy
Yeah,
of
'cause
the
the
rock.
armor is what to protect the rock from breaking.
Okay, let's try the gem.
This
I
is gonna
think the gem's
sink.
gonna sink. We were right. Sink.
Yeah.
All right, let's sort them out into what sank
Let's see if the
and
pumpkin
what
sinks
didn't.
or
Oh
floats.
yeah, I totally forgot about the
Well,
pumpkin.
it's gonna float because it's
Drop the pumpkin
it's
in.
very
Let's see.
big. Well, my pumpkin.
Yeah, it's gonna float.
Float.
You're right because it is. Why? Why did it
It's
float?
really like has no air.
It's
in
light. It has no
it.
air, and it's really big. So
It covers almost
let's
all of
sort them
right?
into sink and float. So let's see what objects sank and what objects floated.
Okay.
So the pumpkin, what did the pumpkin do? It what? Floated or it sank?
It floated, but the
Okay.
bottom didn't.
So we'll put it here in that
Yeah.
category. And this the leaf floated.
We know that.
The
Stick.
stick also floated.
The pond.
The pine cone
Whoa.
also
It
floated.
might break.
The rock and the gem sank, right?
Those were the only two that sank.
So let's count. Let's see what's more and what's less. So let's see. How many sank?
1, 2.
2. So we have 2 objects that went bloop and sank to the bottom. How many objects floated? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 and 2. So what's bigger, 4 or 2, guys?
4.
4. Thank you, Rodney. 4 is bigger than 2. So that means the category float has more objects than the category sink. The sink category has less because they have 2. But altogether, how many objects did we put inside the water? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at that. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Isn't that cool, guys? You guys can do an experiment like this at home to see what objects will sink or float in your house.
Yep.
So I have this book before we go,
Ooh.
and it's called Leaves.
Can I read it? Thank you.
I'll read one page and you can read another. The leaves are on the tree.
Ooh. Interesting. The leaves are grass.
Try again.
Green.
Good. The leaves are green.
That makes sense.
The leaves are what color? Red. Right.
This one's red
Your
too.
turn.
The leaves are yellow.
Look again. Look at that word.
Orange.
Orange.
Do we have orange?
So look at the
leaves?
colors.
We
Orange.
didn't. We don't have an orange leaf.
The leaves are yellow. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Yellow. Your
Look at
turn.
this one too. The leaves are not on the tree.
What happened to the leaves?
What happened?
They all fell off. That's what happens in the fall season. Uh-oh. The tree is white.
Ooh.
Look at that. Why is it white? What's that? Because it's snow, right?
Yay.
The end.
Ooh, I have a question about that book.
Well, what's your question?
My question was, if the leaf fall off and someone breaks them, it'll be fun and to jump.
Is that a question or are you telling me something?
Was telling me something.
Right, you were telling me something. A question is who, what, where, when, and why. Those are questions. Okay? And guys, did you notice that Rodney and I took turns reading the book? You can do that too. Taking turns is very important.
That can help learn too.
Yes. Uh-oh. Well, guys, you heard that sound. And you know it's time to say goodbye. I enjoyed our experimenting Thursdays. We shall do it again. See you tomorrow. Bye, friends.